Hello everyone and welcome to CodeGrads. Today we will talk about auto tokenize. So, what is auto tokenizer? First, it converts our human language into numerical codes that models understand. As think of it as a translator but for computers. Second, it is your go-to tool for loading the correct text preprocessor for almost any transformer model. Interestingly, this tokenizer don't just split by spaces. Many use clever subword unit to handle rare words and reduce vocabulary size. Now, let's think. How does auto tokenizer bridge the gap between human language and machine translation? It does this by creating a consistent numerical dictionary for words and word pieces. The auto tokenizer first of all prepares the data. It gets text ready. Then the auto model processes the prepared data. It does the actual thinking. Here is the golden rule. It is absolutely critical that the tokenizer you load perfectly matches the model you intend to use. They are like a lock and key trained together. A fun fact, the vocabulary size defined by tokenizer can vary widely. From a few thousand words for some models, they can be over 250,000 words for others. Directly impact how they see words. So, can you think of an analogy where for why a mismatched tokenizer and model would lead to poor results? Imagine trying to read a book written in a secret code, but you are using the wrong decoder ring. So, what good is the auto tokenizer actually gives us? Based on the downloaded model configuration, auto tokenizer automatically identifies and loads the correct underlying tokenizer class. Correct underlying tokenizer. This means it knows whether to use something like word tokenizer, GPT-2 tokenizer, or any other type for the model name just from the model name. Why bother with auto tokenizer? The benefits are huge. It greatly simplifies your workflow by automatically handling unique text prep rules for thousands of models. No need to memorize how each model like its text served. This also ensures consistency, meaning you are using the exact pre-processing the model was trained on. Did you know some models care about uppercase versus lowercase while others don't? Auto tokenizer knows which is which for your chosen model. This is vital for good results. So, what good is the auto tokenizer actually gives us? It transforms raw text into numerical inputs. Most importantly, input IDs. Input IDs are basically the serial number for each piece of text, for each piece of your text. It also often provides an attention mask, and these outputs they perfectly slot into PyTorch or TensorFlow. The attention mask is super useful because models often processes sentences in batches and not all sentences are of the same length. So why might the model need an attention mask in addition to the numerical input IDs? It tells the model which parts of the input are really words and which parts are just padding to make sequence the same length so the model doesn't get confused. Let's see how this happens. You select a model, Hugging Face Up, let's say Distilbert base uncaged. Then auto tokenizer fetches its specific configuration and vocabulary files. The command you will use is from pre-trained function with the model name. This one line of code does all the heavy lifting of downloading and setting up the right tokenizer. This vocabulary file are essential for the model's dictionary. They don't just list words. Some store complex rules for breaking words into subunits, which is how the model handles new and rare words they haven't seen before. And that's the auto tokenizer in a nutshell. This is just your friendly assistant making sure your text is properly prepared for powerful token transformer model. Understanding this is the key to getting great results in NLP project. Thank you.